Hi students, welcome to the mathematics class. Today we are going to study to find the arithmetic mean of group data by step deviation method. The third method of finding arithmetic mean, step deviation method. In last class we have studied the direct method of finding arithmetic mean, that is x bar equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. And the second method, the assumed mean method. In this method, mean x bar equal to a plus summation fi di by summation fi. Now we have the third method of finding arithmetic mean, that is step deviation method. In this method, mean x bar equal to a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. Mean x bar equal to a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h, where a is assumed mean, h is class size, h equal to class size. In 9th standard we have studied how to find class size. Class size of a class equal to upper limit minus lower limit. Class size is also known as class width. And di equal to xi minus a. As in the assumed mean method, di equal to xi minus a, and ui equal to di by h. ui equal to di by h, where di is deviations and h is class size and fi's are frequencies. And how to find the class size? Class size h equal to upper limit minus lower limit of the class. So by step deviation method, mean x bar equal to a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. Now these are the steps of finding arithmetic mean by step deviation method. First one, write the class intervals and frequencies that will be given in the question. We should write class intervals and frequencies. After writing frequencies, we should find the sum of frequencies, that is summation f. And second, find the class mark x. Class mark x. How to find class mark? As in the assumed mean method, class mark equal to upper limit plus lower limit by 2. And select one class mark as assumed mean. And the third step is find the deviations, di equal to xi minus a, as in the assumed mean method. And fourth step is, after finding deviations, we should find ui's. How to find ui's? ui equal to di by h, where di's are deviations and h is class size. And the fifth step is find fu. Fu means f is frequency and ui's you already found, so f into u. Find fu for all classes, and at last find summation fi ui and substitute these values in the formula. X bar equal to a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. These are the steps of step deviation method. Now we can do one example using step deviation method. Find the mean of the following data using step deviation method. We have two columns. First column is mark and second column is number of students. Mark is given in class interval form. First class is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. And the corresponding frequency, that is number of students, 3, 7, 21, 10 and 9. We need to find the arithmetic mean of this data using step deviation method. Now, to find the solution, first we should find the class size. H equal to, we have H equal to upper limit minus lower limit. Consider the first class, it is 0 to 10. So 10 is upper limit and 0 is lower limit. So to find class size, upper limit minus lower limit, that's equal to 10 minus 0, that's equal to 10. So class size H is 10. Now find the solution. The first column is class, that will be given in the question, and second column is frequency, that also will be given in the question. Next we should find class mark X. After finding class mark, we should find DI. After selecting one of the Xi as assumed mean, and next we should find UI equal to DI by H, and at last we should find Fi into UI. Now we can start. First column is class and second column is frequency. After writing class and frequency, we should find sum of frequency. Sum of frequency means summation Fi, that is 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 21, 31, 41, 41 plus 9, it is 50. So we got summation Fi equal to 50 here. And find class mark. How to find class mark? Class mark equal to upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So here 10 plus 0 by 2, that is 5. Then 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, 15. Then 25, then 35, then 45. It is very easy to find all class mark. First to find first class mark, that is 5 we found. Then add the class size. Here class size is H equal to 10, we already found class size is 10. So just add 10. First it is 5, then 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 10, 25, then 35, then 45. So that's the method of finding class mark if all class sizes are equal. Now after finding class mark, we should find DI. As in the assumed mean method, DI equal to Xi minus A. These are Xi's in the third column. Then just select one Xi as A. Usually we select the middle number. So here we select 25 as assumed mean. Here 25 is the assumed mean. Now DI equal to Xi minus A. So first DI equal to Xi minus A. First Xi is 5 and A is 25. So 5 minus 25 is minus 20. Here it is 5 minus 25. 5 minus 25. 5 minus 25 equal to minus 20. Next to 15 minus 25 equal to minus 10. Then 25 minus 25 it is 0. 35 minus 25 10. And 45 minus 25 20. Now we got DI. Now next step is UI equal to DI by H. H we already found, H is 10. H is 10. So DI by 10. These are the DI's in the fourth column. So fourth column by 10. So first it is minus 20 by 10. Minus 20 by 10 is minus 2. Then minus 10 by 10 it is minus 1. Then 0 by 10 0. 10 by 10 1. And 20 by 10 2. So these are UIs. These are UIs. And at last we should find Fi into UI. Fi into UI means first second column it is frequency into the fifth column UI. Here it is 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2 it is minus 6. Second row 7 into minus 1 minus 7. And 21 into 0 0. Then 10 into 10 into 1 10. and at last 9 into 18. So these are FIUI. Now we should find summation FIUI. So all FIUIs we should add. Minus 6 plus minus 7 plus 0 plus 10 plus 18. 10 plus 18 is 28. 28 minus 6 minus 7, it is minus 13. So 28 minus 13, it is 15. So summation FIUI equal to 15. First we found summation Fi equal to 50 and summation FIUI equal to 15. Now we can use the formula. Now we have the formula mean x bar equal to a plus summation FIUI by summation Fi into h. By step deviation method, x bar equal to a plus summation FIUI by summation Fi into h. Substitute the values. A is 25. We selected 25 as assumed mean. So A equal to 25. Then summation FIUI we found it is 15. 15 by summation Fi it is 50. 15 by 50 into h is 10. 15 by 50 into 10. So 25, keep it same, plus just to do this 15 by 50 into 10. Here 0 and 0 we can cancel. Then 15 by 5, it is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So 25 plus 3. 25 plus 3. 25 plus 3 equal to 28. So 28 is the arithmetic mean of this data by step deviation method. You just note in the table, if we select assumed mean as 25, its corresponding D will be 0 and its corresponding UI also will be 0, isn't it? Just if we select 25 as A, any number as A, its corresponding DI will be 0 and its corresponding UI will be 0, and DIs are in a sequence. Here it is 0, then minus 10, minus 20, here 10, here 20, here in increasing order, above it is decreasing order, and UI also same. Here it is 0 and just previous UIs it is minus 1, minus 2, and next succeeding UIs it is 1, 2. So it is very easy to find UI. If we select one assumed mean, the corresponding UI of assumed mean will be 0 and previous one will be minus 1 and next previous will be 1 and next it will be 2. So it is very easy to find UIs and DIs if all class sizes are equal. Here all class sizes are equal. 0 to 10 it is 10. Here 10, here 10, here 10, here 10, here 10. All class sizes are equal. In that case, it is very easy to find UI and DI.